Good day students, today I want to solve problem involving angular velocity represented by letter W. Now a stone of mass 500 gram. See that this 500 gram is in a unit that is not standard, and also the length. See the rope 50 centimeter long, which represented by R. It's also not in the standard form. It's wild at an angular velocity 12 radian per second. And you see what we need to do. Mass M is 500 gram. Convert it to the standard. Don't forget that 1000 gram make 1 kilogram. 500 gram now to X. Okay, your X now, X cross multiply, just cross it like this. X times 1000 gram equals 500 gram times 1 kilogram. Divide both side by 1000 gram. To look for your X, gram cancel gram, you're left with kilogram. Now your X is 1000 gram, cancel 1000 gram. Your X equals 500 kilogram. 500 times 1, that's 500 kilogram over 1000. So 0.0, you're left with 0.5 kilogram. Because 10 goes in 5, 0. Add is 0. 10 goes in 50, that's 5 kilogram. And that's just mass in standard form. Mass in standard unit. And your R, okay, choose the radius R equals which is 50 centimeter. The same thing, 100 centimeter make 1 meter. Now 50 centimeter to X, okay, centimeter to X, X times 100 centimeter equals, cross it like this, 100 times 100, X times 100 centimeter equals 1 meter times 50 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter, cancel out, centimeter cancel centimeter. Your X now equals 50 meter divided by 100, 0 cancel 0, you are left with 0.5 meters. That's your R. Let's call it R, since you have represented by R. Okay, now this one, so let's call it M, since you have represented by M. I have represented it by M, which is mass. Now the rope at an angular velocity, W to represent angular velocity, W to represent angular velocity, which is 12 radian per second. The unit of angular velocity is radian per second. Calculate centripetal force F. Don't forget that your centripetal force, the force that keeps the object to move around the circle without skipping away, is F equals to mv squared over R. And don't forget that you're having the angular speed, and V equals WR. The formula that relate the linear velocity V with the angular velocity. W is V equals to WR. Now, since we don't have the linear velocity directly, we substitute V equals to WR into the formula for the centripetal force, which is F equals M. Instead of writing V, you replace it with WR squared over R equals mw squared r squared divided by r cancel r, centripetal force equals mw squared r. Okay, and what's our mass? Our mass is 0.5 times what's angular speed? Angular speed is 12 squared times the length of the rope. You know, when you have a rope like this, so you have a rope and you whirl it round a circle. This one will stand as your radius of moving. That's why you have it as r. Okay, you whirl it round, and this is what 0.5 f now equals 0.5 times 144. Just square is 144 times 0.5. Let's turn it to 0.5 is half. Understand? F equals 5 over 10. Decimal is 1. One figure after decimal is, you add 1 0 times 144 times 5 over 10. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. 2 here 1. 2 here 7, that's 2, 72 equals 72 over 2. Okay, you're left with these 2 here. 2 here 1, 2 here 3, and the 1, 3, 12, 6. Therefore, our F equals 36 Newton. Okay, the centripetal force is 36 Newton. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.